The rhino has always been such an iconic animal of Africa, and now currently they've been poached to extinction for nothing but their horns. At $60,000 a kilogram, it means that from a young age, the orphan rhinos are a target for the poachers, who will kill them for the small amount of horn. This is why we always have to be alert and ready for any attack.